Wayanad is around 6 hours from Bangalore, and we have to go through Bandipur forest where we can usually spot elephants and deers. The resort is located 3 kilometers inside a dense forest and takes roughly 20 to 30 minutes to reach the resort entrance. The road is very narrow and full of rocks, and I recommend traveling in an SUV. The resort is spread across 30 acres and has 51 luxurious cottages with 3 different room categories. We get a spectacular view of the Banasurasagar lake from various spots in the resort. The food was average and can be improved both in terms of taste and varieties. Also, they do not serve alcohol in the entire resort. The complimentary Wi-Fi was not very good and can be improved. They have various indoor activities like table tennis, pool table, carom, and various other games.